Guys, what's up? Welcome to the 2A3D family channel. So today I'm going to be building out of this building toy set from Lego, and I'm going to try to recreate the pictures on the bag. And so basically what it is that it is a bunch of Lego parts, and you can try to create your own stuff, but also I'm going to try to create what's on the bag. So let's get started. Okay, so now that I have opened the bag, I'm going to dump out the items in there. And it looks like, along with all the Lego parts, we have this little booklet with this robot on it. And then I think these are the instructions for building the items on the bag. As you can see here, the instructions for building the robot. And then here's the instructions for building the radio and the car. So, first I'm going to build the radio because it looks the easiest and the most simple. So, okay, so first we need this gray piece, and then we're going to find the two white pieces. Okay, there's one, and that's another one, and then it says to put another gray piece on top. And then you get these little antenna thingies. Put them on top. Ugh, can't put it on top. Okay, there we go. That's one. And the other one. Okay. And then you need this guy. I'm gonna kind of like switching the channels and stuff like that. The screen or something. And then we need these little red dots right here. Okay, so I've finished building the radio, and then I'm just gonna set that off to the side. So then we'll build the car next. And it says to first start out with this small red piece. And then we need the two black pieces to attach the tires on. Right here. I'll put those on. And then we need the... Okay, so we also need the parts from this one. So we're going to have to take this radio apart because we need the two gray pieces. So, I'll do that real quick. Okay, now that I've finally got it apart, I'm going to continue building the car. So we need these gray pieces. I'm going to go vertically. And then we need a black piece, like, okay, not that one, this one, with this white piece, and it says to put it on top like this. And we're going to put that right here. Okay, and now, step 5, we need the two identical pieces like this. I'm going to put that on top. Okay, and then we also need a green piece. And then, so now that we have the 4 here, we're going to put these two blue ones on top. And then I'm going to put the little red lights on top. The lights for the car, I'm guessing. This will be a different type of car. And then we'll put the wheels together. Just pop them in. That's one. Ooh, 2. Oh, there it is. 3, and the last one. And okay, so now make sure that the tire's on the right side, and we'll put it on. Okay, 2 more. Okay, and now the car is done. And it looks like this piece right here is meant so we can hold it or something. Or push it along. Ooh, okay. Okay. Okay, so now that I've taken apart most of the car, it looks like we need the same parts. So we need these two black pieces. Mine already have the tires on from the car. And we're going to get the gray pieces. Let me just take that apart. Put it like this. And then the other one. Oh, jeez. So hard to take apart. And then we need these two white pieces. Put that one on. And now the little red lights. And I'll take one from this blue piece from the car. Then the silver piece, silver line piece. Then we're going to put these two pieces on top. Make sure it's on the edge. And the other one, then put the green piece. Oop, click that one in. And then the black pieces. Okay. And these are about to form his arms. And this down here is the body. Okay. And then, so now we just need to do the head. Take this apart because we're going to need this part. And we're going to need this green piece. And the white piece so we can attach his eyeballs. So let's put on his eyeballs real quick. Oh, I didn't do that right. Oops. I just switched this guy around. Okay, so that way his mouth can be where his eyes are. Find his other eye. Put the eye on. Oops, he has googly eyes, but that's okay. And then we need the antennas. He's a robot. Ugh, if I can just get him on. Okay, put those guys up, and that's the head. And then we're just going to attach it to his body. And since we already put the tires on, we are done. And now this little robot guy can walk from side to side. Okay, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to 2A3D Family channel, and turn on your notification bell so you know when we upload the next video. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.